Welcome to our channel. If you want to download Skillshare classes for offline viewing, follow these step-by-step instructions using the Skillshare mobile app. Step 1. Download and install the Skillshare app from the App Store for iOS devices or Google Play Store for Android devices. Note that offline downloads are only available through the mobile app with a premium membership. Step 2. Open the Skillshare app and log in with your account credentials. Make sure you have an active premium membership, as free accounts don't have offline download access. Step 3. Connect to a reliable Wi-Fi network before downloading classes, as video files can be quite large and may consume significant mobile data. Step 4. Browse or search for the class you want to download. Tap on the class to open its details page. Step 5. Look for the download icon, which typically appears as a downward-pointing arrow or cloud icon. This icon should be visible on the class page or next to individual lessons. Step 6. Tap the download icon to start downloading the entire class or specific lessons. You'll see a progress indicator showing the download status. Step 7. Once the download is complete, you can access your downloaded classes by tapping on Downloads or Offline Classes in the app menu. Step 8. To manage your downloaded content and free up space, go to the Download section where you can delete classes you've finished or no longer need. Step 9. Remember to periodically sync your app when connected to the internet to ensure you have access to any updated class content or new lessons added by instructors. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.